Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. My name is Johan, and in this video I will make an update of my results using AI Vault from Oraichain AI Power Data Oracle. So let's take a quick look on the markets today. We are seeing in the past 24 hours not too much movement. Minus 1% on Bitcoin, minus 1.7% on Ethereum, minus 1.5% in XRP. So not much movement to the upside or to the downside. The winner on the past 24 hours is Sushi Coin, according to CoinGecko, Decentraland 5%, BitTorrent 3.8%. And the losers, IOTA minus 9.1%, Dash minus 6.6%, Digibyte minus 5.9%. So not too much movement on other sides. We are seeing volatility. This is normal on today's markets because we really are in the bull market. Yesterday Bitcoin has reached all-time high but did not reach 20,000 yet. We will see, I think, very soon another leg up for Bitcoin. So let's jump straight on our subject. As you all know, in my last videos I have presented the Orai Vault, AI Vaults. It is a product from Oraichain. You can find it on their site Orai.io. When you click AI Finance, this is how it looks. There are two vaults, the USDT vault and the Orai vault. If we click here, we are directed straight on the interface of AI Finance. Here on the corner we have our MetaMask wallet connected. When you connect your wallet, you will see your rewards, guys. These are my rewards from locking up on the Orai Vault 94 Orai in total after 1 month. As you can see, these are the rewards. We will see if they are accurate. So 25% from 11.7559 is 2.93975. It's almost exact, guys, because I have seen people telling that it's not right. This here, my unlocked pending rewards, is 25% of the total rewards that you get from participating on the Orai Vault once or twice per week at a random time, guys. So this is 25% sent straight to our MetaMask wallet once they release the rewards, and the pending reward is going to my locked reward section here. As you can see, I have made, since I've started, in 1 month 77 Orai locked. As you can see here, if we put this amount, 8.819 is 74.99, so 75% is this amount. The calculus are very good, and you can see that the math is done properly, guys. The API, as I have told you in my previous video, is changing constantly because of the number of Orai token locked in the Orai Vault. So let me share you exactly what I've started with. I've started with 36 Orai 28 days ago, and 15 Orai more 27 days ago. So a total of 51 Orai I have deposited on the Orai Vault. and another 8 Orais, so a total of 59 Orai I have deposited from my own pocket. Guys, let me show you exactly my results. So now, after 1 month, I have 94 Orais. 94 minus 59, my initial deposit is 35 Orais. I have 35 Orais in my wallet and I can redraw it at any time. But if I add the locked Orais that I have here, 77 Orais plus 77 Orais, that's a total of 112 Orais made in 1 month, guys, with my initial investment of 59 Orais from my own pocket. This amount I have made only by compounding the rewards given every single week, guys, at a random time, at a random day, at a random hour, and so on, guys. Look, this is the percentage. From 51 I have 170 total Orais. That's an 189% return of investment in 1 month time, guys. This is one of the best opportunities to earn in the crypto space. I did participate in other yield farming projects, but this is the most advantageous method of earning money. Yes, indeed, these 77 Orai are locked till April 2020. Starting this month, they will give 15% of this amount that you have here every single month. They will distribute it to our wallets. So, guys, this vault provided by Oraichain is incredible powerful. It's a powerful tool and they designed it for early investors. So it's not too late to join the vault and to take advantage of this very nice system of rewards. You will see your rewards after a week or two and you will understand that the system works perfectly. Once again, guys, the API is increasing and decreasing depending on the total locked value here. This is my pending rewards after 3 days and 22 hours. If they are going to pay me right now, I will receive in total 11.75 Orai. 8.8 Orai are going here into the locked value, and the other 2.938 Orais will go straight to my MetaMask wallet, and it will appear here. Here you will see the Orai that you have available to deposit on the Orai vault. Here is the locked value in the vault. Now we can deposit and withdraw at any time without any fees, only the gas fees. I will show you exactly. I can withdraw every single Orai that I have now. If I click here, I will withdraw it all. Look at the fees now. The fees are incredibly high. So I will pay $7 to withdraw my funds to my MetaMask wallet. But if I do this, everything will go away from here. I will not receive my locked rewards. I will not receive my unlocked and my locked rewards. I will lose this amount here, guys. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to compound and to earn, this is the simplest way to earn Orai tokens. Just compounding your rewards and wait for the next rewards. It is that simple, guys. It is that simple, and you will see the you will see that the rewards are incredible. How it works exactly, guys. There are 8,600 Orai every day rewarded to the vault owners based on their share on the vaults. 8,600 Orai tokens are rewarded to all vaults on AI. The number of reward tokens is captured, calculated, and sent on a random day every week. The total reward tokens, 8,600 Orai, is the number of days since the last x the number of days since the last reward. So we have 8,600 times 3 days and 22 hours, almost 4 days, times 4 equals 34,400 Orai tokens will be distributed if they send the rewards now. As you can see, reward tokens are sent on chain. 25% of reward tokens are unlocked and 75% are unlocked. So this is how the vault works, guys. This is how it is, and the API, as I have told you, it's decreasing because of the number of Orai deposited. So more Orai deposited on Orai vault, less API. So guys, this is it with the vault. I hope you can see that these results are incredible, but they are for real. And at the end, I will share with you good news that they have promised us. December is a full month for Orai, guys. In the last Medium post, they say they will enable better accessibility to Orai tokens. This is the first point of what they are going to do in the near future. So how can they do that? By listing on exchanges. So the big announcement of today was that Oraichain is launched on GitHub. As you can see here, deposit and withdrawals are available since 1st of December, and the trading will start for December, guys. This was the big announcement, and there are 2 more big announcements coming in the next 2 weeks, guys. This is what Mr. Chang, the CEO of Oraichain, has prepared for us. So we will see more beautiful news about partnerships, and maybe we will see for sure yield farming coming to Oraichain, guys. This is huge. They are going to build on the stability and security of the platform and the products. They setting stepping stones for the present and future of Orai with partnership that help us scale faster. So for sure we will see this month some partnership with other big companies that will help Oraichain develop further, developing and evolving our existing products and services. They already started to develop their services, as you can see here on the marketplace, guys. Here they will do AI Oracle on the marketplace. they want to build 100 APIs, AI APIs, and they will have availability here on the marketplace, and they will spread the word about Oraichain, and we will about what we can do for blockchain and AI spaces. So they will be more involved in spreading the word about Oraichain, guys. So I think the products they have delivered till now are very attractive. The AI Finance Vault is extremely profitable, and it is created for early investor. It will not last forever, and I'm sure after you will use it, you will see that you can earn money very easily by using the AI Finance Vault, guys. So this was my video. Let me check for you on the chart of Orai, guys, at the end. So this is how Orai chart looks like. We are having a sell-off right now, not too much, but we were in an ascending triangle, so we can see that the price did not drop too much. It is because I'm using trading view. We can only view with wrapped ether here, but if we go to DEX tools, here we can see the price in dollars is around $20. So this resistance here at $20 is holding very nice, guys. Please remember, this Oraichain AI Power Data Oracle will be a huge let's take a look at the roadmap, guys. We will see yield farming in December. We will see some partnership. We will see a marketplace. Guys, this is huge. A lot will happen on the Oraichain, guys, and this is a real gem in the crypto space. So guys, this was my video. I hope you enjoy the content that I provide. If you do so, please give a comment below, give a like, please subscribe to my channel. I am new to YouTube and I want to build a big community with good material, so people could know in which project they can invest and earn money in this bull run. See you guys in another video. Bye.